Hey everybody, it's D Wiley. So today I got me some wheel locks for my Dodge Ram. I don't think I have a problem with my rims getting stolen, but I figure for 50 bucks it'd be some quick, easy insurance to protect my wheels. So I got just the Mopar wheel locks. They did match price at the local dealership, online price, so I got them for about 50 bucks. So it's not that big of a deal. So here's what the lug nuts look like now. So I'm gonna put these wheel locks on, and then I'll take a video afterwards so you can see what they look like. I'm not gonna video putting them on just because it's real quick, easy fix, so I don't think it's worth all that. So anyway, I'm gonna put these on real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so I just got them swapped out. That's what the wheel lock look like. It sticks out a little bit further than my liking, but this is what they gave me, so I'm gonna trust this what's supposed to be on there. If somebody else know of a different wheel lock for the Ram, 2019 Ram that's supposed to go on there, please comment. And I will share this. I noticed the wheel lock says McGuard, and that is the original ones that I ordered from Amazon for about $20 cheaper. But I thought that maybe, because it stuck out just like that, and I thought maybe it was the wrong kind, so I called Dodge, local dealership, said, yeah, that's what we have them. I went up there and got them. This is what they gave me, and it looked like it's the same exact wheel lock system, and it was about $20 more. So $20 cheaper on Amazon. So I don't know if this is the right one or not, but if it is, I would definitely go on Amazon and see if they'll price match Amazon. So anyway, that's what it looked like. And according to discounttire.com, it's supposed to be torqued at 130 pounds. So I torqued it at 130 pounds, and that's it. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy. Have a good day.